Creating a plugin in NopCommerce allows you to extend its functionality to meet your specific needs. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a basic plugin. Set up your development environment. Ensure you have Visual Studio installed and have downloaded the NopCommerce source code. Create plugin project. In the NopCommerce source code, navigate to the plugins folder. Create a new folder for your plugin. Within this folder, create a new class library project in Visual Studio. Configure plugin descriptor. Create a description.txt file in your plugin folder. This file should include metadata about your plugin, such as the following. Implement plugin logic. Create your main plugin class by inheriting from base plugin and override methods like install and uninstall. Implement any additional functionality in this class. Build and deploy. Compile the project and copy the output DLL file to the plugins My Custom Plugin, bin, debug, netcore app x.x folder in your NopCommerce installation. Install the plugin. Log into the NopCommerce admin panel, navigate to configuration, plugins, and install your plugin. Test your plugin. Ensure it functions as intended by testing its features within the store.